everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you how I made this yummy pot of native jollof rice. It is by far my favorite jollof rice recipe. Anyways, the first thing I'm doing is to heat up some palm oil. I'm using quite a lot, and I'm also going to be adding a lot of locust beans because I absolutely love locust beans. You can just use a little, it's your preference. And then I'm just going to fry this for a few minutes just to build up some flavor. And then after doing this for a few minutes, I will add my chopped onions. When everything's been frying for about 5 minutes, I'm adding my blended pepper. The peppers I used will be in the description box below. And then I'm adding all my seasonings at once. And I'm just going to leave this to fry until the oil rises to the top. When it looks like this, you are ready to go. And then I'm just mixing to make sure all the burnt parts kind of like come up and mix with the stew, because it gives it some kind of like smoky flavor. And then I'm adding my water. Make sure to not add more than you actually need because there's no going back. And then you have to let it boil and look like this. When it's like this, it's perfect. And I'm using parboiled rice because it's so much easier to work with and it just makes the cooking faster for me. And I don't like cooking this native jollof rice for too long as well. And then you just have to mix it properly because you don't want the stew to be on one side and then the rice on another side. So you have to mix it properly. If you need more water, just add a little bit. You just need the water to look like this, so you don't need it to cover your rice, you just need it to be with the rice. You don't need a lot of water if you're using parboiled rice. And I'm just going to cover this up with a foil and the cover and let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then after about 15 minutes, our jollof rice is ready. It is so quick and easy. I absolutely love this recipe. Look at that jollof rice. Come on, look at it. There you go. And just as a finishing touch, I'm going to be adding some chopped spinach. You can use ugu, you can use gure, you can use whatever kind of vegetable you would like to use, and I'm only using a small quantity just to garnish the rice. It's not like you're eating, rice and spinach. No, it's just to garnish the rice and make it look more colorful and more tasty. And just mix this properly, and then your rice is ready. Guys, you have to try this recipe because this one, this jollof rice recipe is that one. This one right here. This one. So you can also use raw rice to cook this. It's just gonna take longer to cook and then you're gonna need more water. And I didn't like the results that I got. It wasn't as dry. It was very, very moist when I cooked it with raw rice. I didn't really like it. That's why I do it this way. And this is how I served myself because baby, I'm here to enjoy. Look at that stewed beef now. Come on. Thank you so much for watching, diary. I hope you liked the video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't. Also share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.